Hey, how you doing today? This is Camden from ClothesLyne, and I'm here today to make a video to show you how to check your order details and accept your first order. So all the orders, when they first come in from the customer, they're shown right on the dashboard underneath the days of the week. So each order, you have a certain period of time to either accept it or reject it until it's passed on to the next ClothesLyner, and that time limit is 5 minutes. So once you receive an order, you want to click on it, look at all the details, and ensure that you're capable of fulfilling the order. So up in the left-hand corner, it's the bags. That's the amount of bags of laundry I'll be doing. The amount is how much I'll be getting paid for this order, not including the tip if the customer chooses so. Services, so add-ons, and this is very important to analyze because you never want to accept an order where it would be laundry detergents organic and fabric softeners hyperallergenic, and you don't have that. So that's why we recommend that you have all the add-ons, that you could really provide everything that the customer ever requests of you. Then below, you analyze the pickup date and the drop-off date. If you're good to go on those, hit accept. You're ready to go. The next video I'll be making is showing you how to process each order.